What's going on, family? It's the wife from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we got a Streamlight Protac Rail Mount 1. We're going to be building a new AR, so we decided to get this rail mounted light in. We're going to do a quick unboxing and do a quick review and give you our thoughts on what we think about it. Enough talking, let's head over to the workbench. Alright, so right now, with the Streamlight Protac Rail Mount 1, it's a glimpse of what's in the packaging. Streamlight says it's 350 lumens. Let's check this packaging out. It's good for 1.75 hours, and it does have a strobe function. Alright, let's read a little bit of this back. Integrated rail clamp attaches to MIL STD 1913 rails. Dual fuel uses one CR123A lithium or one AA alkaline battery. Both are included. 10 tap, which is programmable to allow selection of 3 different operating programs. That's great. Machine is made out of machined aluminum. It's easy to attach, secure mounting, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. And included in this packaging is a remote pressure switch, push button tail cap switch, remote retaining clips, double-sided tape, and zip ties. So anything you may need, they include it in the packaging. Alright, let's open this up and see what it's made of. Alright, we have this open. First is your package of accessories. It's a double-sided tape, the zip ties, the rail mounts. They put all that in this packaging right here. Let's get this to focus so you can see it. It also comes with, like I said, the pressure switch, pressure pad, so you can attach it to your AR. There we go. Let's get this pressure switch out of here, see how it feels. It's a nice tactile, nice pressure switch. Could tell it's made well, it's not cheap. Alright, let's get to the most important part. The Streamlight. This thing is made well, definitely feels good in my hand. Mount it to your AR. Alright, let's get a battery in here and go ahead and see how bright this thing actually is. Okay, so I decided to put in the Streamlight battery that it came with, not the AA battery. We went with the Streamlight battery. So let's go ahead and turn this on to see how bright it is. This thing is definitely extremely bright. I don't want to put it at the camera, but you guys can see it there. It's definitely extremely bright. I can't wait to get this mounted on the AR. Once we have this mounted on the AR, I'll go ahead and do another video after I've mounted it to the AR and tried it a few times in different low light situations. I'll come back and do a final thoughts video. But for right now, man, this thing is made well. This is my first Streamlight Protac. And yeah, we'll give it a shot and I'll let you guys know. If you guys use this light, go ahead and let me know what you think about it, or you've had it on your radar, you've done some research. Let me know why you like this light or why you don't like it. All right, let's go.